Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, the XPR Simpsons conspiracy theory and connection. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So, if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. By the way, guys, this is a video for fun because, as you know, that these connections are community made mostly, so we're going to be just going out and checking them out, that what people are basically comparing, saying about XPR and Simpsons. So obviously Simpsons does not endorse it directly, but you guys know that there are a lot of Simpsons predictions, Donald Trump, other stuff. Even XRP community is extremely high bullish on what they claim to be the Simpsons connection, basically that Simpsons has predicted XRP to be extremely high and all of that stuff. So we're going to be checking those connections out, community made connections out on X of Simpsons and XPR. So yeah, first and foremost, let us look at the price, guys. So the price of XPR network is up 4.47% for the day. It has gone up from 0.001083 all the way to 0.00013. So okay, so this is cool. The market cap is $28 million at the moment. The volume has increased as well, $1.11 million. If you look at the 7-day chart, guys, so just a moment, let us look at that. Okay, so it is up 4.64% in the last 7 days as well. If you look at the monthly chart, so it is up 36.44% for the month, guys. It has gone up from 0.000819 all the way to 0.001. So basically, it has eaten a zero. It is slowly, and gradually rising. Let's see what happens. This is a crucial support over here, 0.0012 in the early chart, guys. Let's see where it goes. If it breaks out from this range, it's going to be going up and testing the 1.4 range, and from there on out, it might go and test the early highs of 0.0018. Let's see where this goes. If you look at the all-time chart, guys, it is down significantly. It is down 98.27%, guys. So if at this point, if we look at it in an investment point of view, these might prove to be a really good entries at this point of time. Even XPR or Metal, they might prove to be extremely good investments, because in my opinion, obviously non-financial advice, that it basically has a lot of room to grow first and foremost. And even if your investment doesn't go up, let's suppose it has a really little chance of going down in the next months or years. If you're looking for something stable, obviously, even for that, you have an upward potential. The risk reward ratio is tremendous with this one. That's all I can say. So obviously, but the community is extremely bullish. They're saying that it will basically skyrocket to the top, and the price won't remain in these low levels for long. Let's see what happens, guys. Anyways, guys, now let us go and check out the XPR and Simpsons. So I basically wrote XPR Simpsons on X. I do not know what is in store for us. I only saw 2 to 3 posts, the top 2 to 3 posts. But let us now check out what it is all about, what the community is saying. So this is from CryptFanX, guys. This is October 17, 2021. Even Simpsons know we are going to be top 3 soon. So check this out. The symbol of XP. Basically, this is nuclear reactor safety manual. But like I told you guys, the XPR community is basically trying and make those connections. And once it skyrockets, guys, in hindsight, this can be a really fun thing to do. The Simpsons predicted a lot of things, but they also believe that XPR, aka Proton chain, will be worth $1. So check this out, guys. Uh, check this out, the cap of Bart. This is awesome. Proton XPR subliminal message hidden in The Simpsons and Back to the Future, who said there's no marketing for XPR. Check this out yet again. This is cool. I mean, this is fun. This is fun. What I like about the XRP and XPR community is they're really bullish on their coins, and they're trying to make these connections by popular culture and the mainstream media as well. Even Mr. Burns and The Simpsons believe in XPR. XPR Marshall Hayner. So check this out: Springfield Nuclear Power Plant. XPR's sign over here. So in the power plant, this is cool. Awesome. Week 15 is The Simpsons. I grew up on this show, watched it every night with my dad and brother, used to tape them all on VHS. I mean, Simpsons, everyone who's, we have our childhood with Simpsons. I mean, yeah, this is true. And it is really a nostalgic. Make memes, earn beggars only on XPR network. Okay, so this is good. I think this is a project of XPR. Beggars, do check that out as well. Seems like a meme, I think. Did you know that XPR Proton was originally called XID Identity Chain? Simpson are just too good. So check this out. XID. Okay, XID. You get the point, right? XPR. This is cool. Let us open this. Okay. So yeah, anybody asks you something you don't understand, just say protons. Okay, cool. Intro to The Simpsons right after coming out of the clouds, XPR. Funny enough, we know Pepe tokens were linked to the elite named after an elite nicknamed Pep-O. They may moon Jesus as a ritual to simultaneously rise from the dead. Jesus and a purple creature were featured in The Simpsons. Okay, so they're connecting the both of these quants guys. Both of them, they claim, will rise from the ashes. Not financial advice. Okay, mark my words. They are going to flip the entire market of XRP into XPR. Ripple's entire escrow will move into the ARC. VEBOUTH as XPR. This is because Ripple funded XPR-ing in 2018. Simpsons has flipper symbol. Okay, they will do it slowly at first, then suddenly. Close to 900 million XRP shifted by whales as XRP price keeps striving to break through resistance. And people laugh and say that an adult trusting a decode of The Simpsons to make an investment in Metal blockchain and XPR network are idiots. Really? XPR Simpsons, I always get it right. Okay, so what else do we have here? Okay, so this is another one. Which of the following is not a subatomic particle? Okay, so I mean this is a forced connection here. I mean this is a scientific question. Obviously, proton, neutron, electrons, they will be there. Okay, so buy low. Yes, it is extremely low. Buy low. Yeah, what a connection, huh? I really like what I really like about these communities. The sometimes those forced connections are also funny, in my opinion. I mean that this is cool. This is all fun and games, and community grows in this way. I mean, by connecting popular culture, basically starting a dialogue, a discussion. Proton XPR, if you know, you know. I'm going with the Simpsons names in gematria added to 588 and 558. Proton equals 588. MetalPay equals 558. Cool. This just a Simpsons decoding because there are several episodes where it shows exactly the twin symbol like the XPR. Proton appears and don't know why Elon Musk always seems involved. So this is Musk, guys. Smell the musk, feel the burns, Mr. Burns. Springfield Nuclear. So I mean, this is sort of that nuclear power plant symbol and nuclear symbol. But yeah, let's connect it. I mean, if it grows. Yet again, it's going to be a great Simpsons prediction in hindsight. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. XPR Simpsons are that good. Season 2, Episode 2. Be thankful. Marshall Hayner. Okay, so Marshall Hayner has also posted about it, guys. Now, this is not only about community. I really didn't know about this, so check this out. If you know, you know. XPR, January 26, 2023. So this is awesome. Even Marshall is in if is up for these uh, memes and discussions, guys. Awesome. XPR Proton is shown multiple times in The Simpsons as well, definitely showing the fall, economic collapse. Cool. Simpsons has predicted a lot of things. I mean, the writers are extremely good in this regards. Dive into the intriguing world of XPR Network's connections and reveal the mystery links to The Simpsons, the enigmatic X, and its ties to Apple. You guys can check this video out as well. If you're interested, I'll do so as well. So, a lot of people are talking about this, right? Appreciate it, bro. LMK, your findings. Simpsons is littered with XPR hints, not to say Simpsons is end all be all, so is other movies, including Back to the Future and Ghostbusters. Occult symbolism, the Proton logo is purple, color of royalty. So a lot of people, not just Simpsons guys, but Ghostbusters, Back to the Future, they do also have the symbol, the purple symbol, cool. Sorry to brother you once again. Bother you. Okay, sorry. Brother, not brother. Bother you once again. I may be reaching The Simpsons season 33 to episode 10. The number one draft pick looking for a business manager. Marge equals metal. Mr. Burns equals XRP. Female in purple dress equals XPR Proton. Okay. This is cool. This is really great. What do you guys think about it? I mean, it's hilarious and so current. Simpsons has always been about public commentary, so has art. Your work would sell very well on protonmarket.com, where first 10 minutes are free and only cents after zero cash or commission. Hello, NFT community. Bro, I want to know what you know. The Simpsons put me on to Proton. So, guys, what do you guys think about the Simpsons and XPR conspiracy theory, the connections? What do you guys think about it? Is it all fun and games, or does it even go even deeper? And a lot of the community members of the writers do know about XPR already, and all that sort of stuff. What do you guys think? I would like you guys to discuss this out as well in the comments box below. This is fun. I would like to hear your thoughts out. And generally regarding Simpsons and their predictions and XPR, XRP, you guys can hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Anyways, like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.